Imagine a world without a good vacuum cleaner, a world full of dust, dirt, and allergens. Not a pretty sight, right? That's why today we'll be exploring the top 5 vacuum cleaners on Amazon. These aren't just your average vacuums. They've been put to the test by thousands of users and have come out on top. They represent the best of the best, the champions in the war against dirt. So, are you ready to dive into a cleaner world? Let's begin the countdown. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 Max Performance Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This is not just any vacuum cleaner. It's a powerful cleaning machine designed to make your life easier. Its notable features include 3 channels of suction to lift and remove surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. It's also equipped with a large capacity dirt cup so you can clean longer before needing to empty the bin. Plus, with its equipped HEPA media filter, it traps 99.97% of dust, dirt and pollens down to 0.3 microns. On Amazon, this vacuum cleaner has an impressive rating averaging 4.5 stars, reflecting its high performance and customer satisfaction. It's praised for its durability, suction power and versatility on various surfaces from hardwood floors to carpets. A reliable choice for any homeowner, the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 is a solid performer in any cleaning scenario. Moving on to number 4, we have a high-tech option for you, the iRobot Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. From the future to your living room, the iRobot Roomba 675 is not just a vacuum, it's your personal cleaning assistant. This clever little gadget uses a 3-stage cleaning system to loosen, lift and remove dust and dirt from your floors. And not just on carpets, oh no, it works brilliantly on hard floors too. One of the standout features of the Roomba 675 is its ability to be controlled via an app on your smartphone. Schedule cleanings when you're out and about and come home to spotless floors. It's like having a housekeeper without the hefty price tag. On Amazon, the iRobot Roomba 675 has an impressive average rating of 4.3 stars. Users rave about its excellent performance and the convenience it offers. Its smart sensors guide it around furniture and under beds, ensuring a thorough clean every time. For those who value convenience and technology, the iRobot Roomba 675 is a smart choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Bissell CleanView Swivel PET Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. This gem from Bissell is a game changer for pet owners everywhere. Its specialty? Tackling pet hair and dander with ease. It's equipped with a triple action brush roll that loosens, lifts and removes embedded pet hair and dirt from multiple surfaces. A real boon, isn't it? But the magic doesn't stop there. The CleanView Swivel PET is also armed with a swivel steering for easy maneuvering around furniture and other obstacles in your home. Plus, it features a multi-cyclonic suction system for lasting, powerful suction that captures and keeps dirt securely in the bagless, easy-to-empty dirt bin. On Amazon, this vacuum cleaner is highly rated at an impressive 4.6 stars, boasting an average of 4.5 stars. Customers praise its power, efficiency, and of course, its pet hair tackling abilities. For pet owners, the Bissell CleanView Swivel PET Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E. This vacuum cleaner is a true game changer in the world of home cleaning. It's known for its unique lift-away technology, which allows you to simply press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean those hard-to-reach areas. This model also comes with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter. It traps nearly 100% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, providing a healthier and cleaner environment. Moreover, it features a brush roll shut-off button, so you can easily switch between carpet and bare floor cleaning. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E is not just a vacuum, it's an entire cleaning solution for your home. Its popularity among users is quite evident from its average 4.6 star rating on Amazon, standing strong at an impressive 4.5 out of 5. For professional-grade cleaning at home, the Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E is a worthy contender. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. At number 1, we have the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute. This vacuum cleaner is not just a device, it's a revolution in home cleaning. Known for its advanced technology and superior design, the Dyson Cyclone 510 Absolute brings a lot to the table. It's cordless, lightweight, and versatile, capable of transforming into a handheld for quick cleanups, spot cleaning, and cleaning difficult places. Its powerful suction, driven by the Dyson Digital Motor V10, captures microscopic dust particles and pet hair with ease. The fully sealed filtration system traps 99.97% of particles, making it a godsend for allergy sufferers. And the best part? You get up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, enough to clean your entire home in one go. On Amazon, it boasts an impressive average rating coming in at just under 5 stars, a testament to its superior performance and customer satisfaction. For absolute cleaning power and convenience, the Dyson Cyclone 510 Absolute is the king of the hill. And there you have it, the top 5 vacuum cleaners on Amazon, from the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 with its powerful suction and high performance, to the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute, known for its lightweight design and exceptional versatility. Each of these vacuum cleaners has carved out a niche for itself in the market, and they all come with an array of features that make them stand out in their own unique ways. But as we close, let's not forget that these rankings are not set in stone. The world of vacuum cleaners is ever evolving, with new models coming up and old ones being improved upon. Therefore, it is always a good idea to check the most recent reviews and ratings on Amazon. User feedback can provide invaluable insights into the performance and reliability of these appliances over time. Moreover, while these vacuum cleaners are indeed the best according to Amazon, they may not necessarily be the best for you. Your specific needs can vary greatly, depending on factors like the type of flooring you have, whether you have pets and other individual requirements. So, when you set out to choose a vacuum cleaner, make sure to consider these aspects and pick the one that suits your needs the most. In the end, it's all about making your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Choose wisely and happy cleaning.